Do you have grow lights everywhere? Are you blinded by your plants on the daily? Oh, morning. Are the lights causing tension in your relationship? Hey, who turned the plants off? Alexa, turn the plants on. Hi friends, welcome back to Botanical Woman. I'm Christine. Grow lights are awesome, but sometimes they can be a little harsh, especially in your living room space. I've had these grow lights for 2 years and I've experimented with different ideas. First using these light reflective foils, and I had them like kind of unfinished for a long time and finally got around to like making them neater, and they look a little bit better, but a lot of light still spills out, and because of the height differences, you can see the light, you know, depending if you're like sitting on the sofa or, you know, in the kitchen. Behind me here are the IKEA eye-bar shelves, and these also have not been the best solution. These are actually pegboards that we had cut at Home Depot. Yeah, once again, because of the height difference, they're not great. They do a little bit. More recently, I was working on a DIY project and it called to use these light diffusers, which are also known as egg crate light diffusers. And they're great. I was like playing with them and I was like, wait a second, I could just use this to diffuse light. And so I installed it on the silver ones first, and that was pretty easy as a test with zip ties, and they work pretty well. So today I'm gonna finish off the project with the wooden shelves, and we're gonna use hook screws, but because I got them too short, I'm gonna have to use zip ties to attach them, which actually makes my life easier. Let's get to it and let's see how it turns out. One of the greatest things about this material is that it is very malleable and anybody can really cut it pretty easily with a very simple tool. I'm using pliers, but other people have also said that wire cutters work really well. They're not super cheap. They're $16 a piece at my Home Depot, and yeah, so the project ended up costing about $100. So I'm using the wire cutter on this plier to cut, and it makes a really nice, easy break. Otherwise, you can use the pliers to snap the pieces off as well. Just when you're doing that, make sure you wear protective glasses and don't do it in your living room. That was super easy. And then to clean it off, I use the pliers to kind of bite down on it and then just twist. Yeah. That was very successful. Except Christine messed up somehow. No. No. Let's say yes. Yeah, shit's tight, man. So it's gonna look like that. How's that? Yeah. Next, we're drilling some pilot holes for our hook screws. So now that we've drilled the pilot hole, this should be easier to get in, the S hook. I keep calling it S hook. It's just a regular screw hook. I'm using the pliers to hold it and just turn it into place. Ta-da! So easy, right? looks pretty good. Now we have this keyhole screw. You hook into the hook. I might not have done that a good favor for myself. So you want to make sure the hook is on the outside. Hook it in like so, and then drill. Now that we have the hooks attached, I'm going to use zip ties to attach it to the hooks. So we just completed the second row and it looks good. It really does diffuse the light. I think overall it's softer, it's less harsh. So that's really nice. And it also feels more complete. I would say overall, if I had to do it again, I don't think I would choose those fasteners. I might use something different. But if you come up with anything, let me know in the comments below. A tip for you with dealing with zip ties is to use a nail clipper to clip the ends. I actually saw Serpent Design do it, so thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, bye guys!